So this is the transport to risk Beaumont. Bago lang. Beaumont Travel. Hello.
Jennifer.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you can sit there too.
It's okay. Alright mga kabayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa van. So we're going for our quad bike sa desert. Yeah. So medyo marami pala kasi puno kami. Ayan.
Ah oui, ça c'est bien.
Ayan sila. Medyo 15 minutes pa daw, 15 minutes. So yung mga kulay ng building po nila halos magkapare-pareha. Yeah, medyo parang yung clay na kulay brown. Ayan. So nabago din yata ito. Hotel and spa. Oh, ito din ka. Alright. Ayan, nasama din yata ito. Okay. Okay. So mga ka-vibes talaga, walang dry. So for 3 days na kami dito. So hindi pa talaga umulan. So yun, mayroong Pan Plaza Hotel. Malaki-laki din. Pero if you can see that dry. Yung wall nila parang clay din. Parang marami siyang robots eh. So parang may building siya before. Tapos parang dinimolish. Tapos nagpatayo sa ng bagong mga buildings. Ayan. Kita mo. Ayan. So, okay. Parang ito yung nagiging fence pero bakod na ano lang siya, putik yung brown rock. Ayan. So ito na ba yun? So parang baka rest day, rest lang muna. So mga 30 minutes.
You need to swap places later.
It's okay, I'm alright.
Because you got that front view.
Fancy. It's okay.
Front row seat.
So that's okay. So Beaumont Travel. Okay. So this is it. Ano ko lang hambal?
May tipa, tapos
So 45.
over to kami sa Atlas, pa-picture.
Okay, that's good. So but 45 minutes lang. Yeah.
1 hour ang
Ang quad bike.
ang quad bike.
So 1 hour is the quad bike. So this is like okay. So ganun yun. Okay.
Tapos ang pagkaon ko na kuskus.
Kuskus na lang ulit. Okay. So batch by batch. So toilet
Hindi
siguro.
matira.
Okay. So, parang toilet dito. So, grupo-grupo. Pila ka kabilog. Dami naman to, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay.
Isa pa tubangan.
These are good.
Direct ka.
Okay, come here.
Andong pa eh.
Oh, no. Tulog sa galit. Okay.
Sa evening.
So, ayun mga ka-vibes. So, tayo isang grupo. Ayan. We are in one group. Okay. So, one group, we got 4 tables.
They're gonna give us something to drink.
So, mga ka-vibes, ano talaga siya? Desierto siya. No? Parang sa Pilipinas na setup na pag yung halimbawa, ano ka ng bus, papara ka, wala silang bus stop. So they are serving
Après l'araignée, ça fait longtemps, ça fait 7 ans qu'on est rentré à l'araignée avec lui. Et qu'à côté à l'araignée Au tampon. Ouais, donc moi je travaille aussi à Chute Saint-Pierre.
On va find out.
C'est dingue, mon transport, c'est dingue. Je travaille. Ah ouais, moi, Silo c'est Saint-Pierre. Moi les Macs.
Donc il sera peut-être de chute.
Ah oui, on a fait déjà. Enfin, moi j'ai déjà fait 2 stages au CHU. Ah ouais
It's a small one.
Ah, j'étais en psychiatrie.
Voilà. Il faut aimer. Hein.
Il y a un peu de tout.
Just a little bit. It's inside.
Ah, mais c'est bien.
Oui.
Il faut.
Ouais. Bon bah nous, oui, après la Belgique, on a eu le guide, on a fait plein de guides. Bah du coup même si on est à la Réunion, allez hop.
Ah bah il a bien raison, franchement, il a bien raison.
That's how you do the tea. These are the higher the welcome you are. We got 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, yeah. That's 15 cups. So one cup. That's mint tea, yeah? It's a mint tea. Yeah, I got it.
Mint and herbs. So here we have olive oil. Okay. This one is argan oil.
Argan.
And here we have it's like a peanut butter, but this one is a mix between cacao, honey, and olive oil.
So it's like peanut butter. Yeah?
Alright.
Do you understand me? Everyone? Yes. And
Ça c'est la pâte cacahuète.
vous explique
It's
en
like
français?
peanut
Ah,
butter.
non,
It's like
non,
peanut
non,
butter.
oui, oui.
Thank you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try with the argan oil, olive oil, and the peanut
We'll do
butter.
this.
And I'm still
Okay. We'll try this one first, I know. So this one bread. So this one is it's peanut
the taste so
butter.
nice. It's sweet.
Okay.
Okay. See. Yeah, it's like peanut butter.
That's what it is.
It's hot but it's nice.
It's peanut butter. Let's try the argan oil.
Which one is argan oil again?
This one is argan oil.
Okay, I'll go for the olive oil.
I'll go the argan.
Olive oil talaga.
Yeah, what's the difference with the argan oil and olive oil? Okay. I'm going to just this is simple olive oil.
I forgot to tell you about to bring the wipes. No?
That's
The
why.
wet wipes. No?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I still like the peanut butter. I like the peanut butter. Okay.
Which one is this? Is it argan oil?
Yeah.
What's argan?
This argan.
Argan, the one you put in the hair. The one who was selling me the other day, like 100 dirhams.
Oh yeah, that's good for the skin. This is the one, the argan oil.
In the hair.
The hair. So why you are using the bread? So this is normal Moroccan minty. It's already sweet.
Yeah. May honey siguro. Namit na.
Maybe they put honey already.
Baka tago sa airport ay. May tea and honey.
Yeah, the tea is already sweet. Okay. Because last time when we ate the soul food, we don't put any sugar on our tea, but this one I think they put something. So that's why it's sweet. It's nice. It's sweet. Okay. Tea time. So punta daw kayo sa loob. Pasok sa loob. Yan. Tapos meron tayo magandang view. Ayun po yung mami.
Hindi ako mangigina sa puto.
May toilet na nag-urusad to. Yes.
Almond we make with that one charismatic and one if you have a dry hair or split ends we have that one with garlic.
Move, you're too near. You're too near.
See, mademoiselle?
Ah, this one is.
That's for the eyes.
Huh?
But this is for the eyes.
On a aussi le Welda avec les jasmins. Ça c'est comme gardenia aussi pour l'hydratation.
Eye drops?
For English people, do you have any idea about how we make the argan oil?
No.
Okay, if you want, I'm gonna give you a simple explanation. Si vous avez intéressé, je vous donnerai des informations sur la fabrication de l'huile d'argan. Ok? Comme vous voulez voir, ça c'est l'arbre d'argan. Et l'arbre d'argan, bien sûr, ça c'est un arbre sauvage qui se trouve uniquement dans le sud du Maroc, exactement à Saouira, à Agadir, Taroudant. Pour nous, juste prendre les fruits à là-bas pour fabriquer l'huile d'argan ici. Et ça c'est le fruit d'argan. This is the argan fruits, and this is the argan tree. And the argan trees, of course, that's growing only in Morocco, exactly in 3 cities. Agadir, Saouira, Taroudant.
This is the argan.
Of course, for us, we are just bringing the fruits from there to making argan oil here. Et pour extraire l'huile d'argan, bien sûr, on passe par plusieurs étapes. La première, on relève la pulpe pour obtenir la noix. Ça, c'est pour les aliments à manger, spécialement les chèvres. We're removing the shell to get the nut inside. That's when we keep it for animals eating.
Okay, I thought it's peanut.
La deuxième étape, on casse la noix entre deux pierres pour obtenir l'amande à l'intérieur. Ça, c'est de l'amande. Ça, c'est de l'amande. This is the almond.
Okay.
We broke the nut to get the almond. Et par cette amande, bien sûr, on fabrique deux types de l'huile d'argan, l'alimentaire et le cosmétique. Mais pour l'alimentaire, bien sûr, on grille les amandes pour changer la couleur et le goût, spécialement le test. Et pour le cosmétique, on utilise les amandes naturelles pour garder le vitamine E, qui est très beau pour la peau et les
The skin.
Il tourne pour avoir la pâte. Bien sûr, la pâte est marron parce que les amandes et les couvrir déjà. Ça, c'est la même manière pour le cosmétique. After we take the almond, we put it here. We keep turning it to blend the almond inside to take the brown paste. Of course, the paste it's brown because we roasted the almond before. It's the same process for the cosmetic one. Yeah, take a little.
Oh,
do
there's
the
something
massage.
already. Give me a.
No, it's argan oil, sir. Okay, as you see, it's argan oil. Okay, and that one you can use it like
I thought somebody took it already.
No, it's all of them. It's the same. You see.
Oh, so it's manual.
Yeah. Because we make it just by hand. Okay, and you can take it a little, do the massage like this, scrub in your face, 5 minutes or 4 minutes. After you can wash it. Yeah, exactly.
Yep, organic nga siya. naman. Pero medyo may presyo din. Kasi yung pinakamura nila is like 200 dirhams. So, medyo may presyo din siya. So yung tea nila, 15. So sana masubukan at madala natin. Ayan na. Okay. Okay. We're going back.
Smita Khadija.
So 15 po kami sa isang van. Desierto na pala yan, oh. Yeah, desierto na. Ayan. So dito tayo magpapad bike. At yep. Alright mga ka-vibes, so nandito na po tayo. So I think ang Binmont Travel medyo nasa, kasi may nakita kasi ako kaninang mga maliliit din na mga nagquad bike na grupo din, pero konti lang, hindi katulad sa kanila na look. Yeah, kaya may show daw mamaya dinner time, so magsushow sila. So dala na po yun sa binabayaran natin. So maganda. Ayan. Yeah, so nasa middle talaga tayo ng desierto. Tapos ayan, mag-ano tayo dun mamaya, sa camel. Ayan, nag-umpisa na po sila dun, no? Bike. Okay, so ayan po mga kabayos, abangan na ating pag-quad bike. So sama lang po kayo. Yep. Mainit. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Pantahom din. Yeah, the sunset later is very good. Hindi na tapong po na taga guys. Hindi na taon. Alam, ayun ang kaon. Pero ano siya na? Ito yung teknolohiya. British currency. Yeah. British. So ganyan talaga sa desierto. Ayan na. Ha? Okay. Alright, that's good. So they got their own swimming pool here. Let me check the water. Okay. It's warm. Good. Okay, Mami, first time mo?
Oo, wala ko nagsaka dito sa adlok ko kay kataas. Kada siya, kaya kanina dito at syagit. Hindi ko pa. Nagsyagit sila tinula. Nag-back out ko.
Okay, look at that. Oh, so you're in one line anyway, look. Yeah. Okay. Okay, over here. Yeah. So that's the camel. They're slow. Okay. Oh, Jake, go first.
On my back?
Yeah, and your bags, of course. Okay. Mami, ako muna. Ako muna, Mix. Ako muna. Mami first. Yeah, Mami first. Yes!
Okay.
Yeah.
Tenez bien, s'il vous plaît, maintenant.
Oh, wow! Careful, Mami, ha? Mami, uyat ka rin mayo. Pag tindog yun, ha? Budlay, pag tindog. Okay, pag tindog, Mami, budlay. Yay! Hello! So, akala ko magka-quad bike muna tayo. Pala hindi. So, camel muna. So, pero
Experience na mas ang life in the desert.
pero kayo mga ka-vibes, makakita nito, ingat kayo yung pagtayo ng camel kasi talagang hahawa ka dito sa ronda. Ayan, hawakan mo kasi mahirap, nakaganyan eh. So, kung hindi ka humawak ng mabuti, eh malalaglag ka. Kaya
Kung galit dapat galit kaya may passport ko din.
okay. You can see some sausages there. Yeah, coming out. Okay, this started now. Oh wow.
The camel is hungry.
Yep, baby. Allah, so be careful. Mommy. We're moving. Talaga. Yeah. Wow. Baby, careful, yeah? Huh?
That is the experience na ang life in, before Christ.
Oh, wow.
That's nice.
Kaluluoy nun sa ilan, no? Is it daw Philips?
Naluoy ba ko gani?
Hi baby, camel. My camel is a white camel. I'm gonna make my camel whitey. Whitey. So
Budlay ang lakat yan la sa ako, no? Though,
Tigo lang na kay mo una kagid may nabugatan sa inyo.
hindi kay kun mauna ko yan, hindi ta ka mamakwa. Alright, it's the reason for you. Parang ako din naawa sa camel. Bagay, nakain naman sila siguro ng gusto. sila. Ayan. So, sila yung isa sa mga pinakamalaking tourist dito. I mean, nagpapagay ng tourism. Yung kanina kasi doon sa daan, malilit lang. Mami, kalo. Kalo. Yeah, look at that. There's no seatbelt here. Just hold on. Ayan. Okay, you can see the view mga kabangdisol. Talagang disyerto. Yeah, disyerto talaga. Ayan, pababa po tayo, pababa. So, ayan, we need to have 2 hands. Okay.
Nag-80 years old.
Okay. Baby, where are you?
Papa, nag-picture.
Yeah? Yeah. Alright. Oh, mommy. Palikid-palikid man. That's it. So, a lot of us can see. Yeah. Over there.
May bag, Abi. Ako sa likod.
Yeah, kuya. Mas mag-up ya akong ganun bagay. Maybe around 5 kilos. Nothing.
Imagine mo, no? Long time ago, wala na yung transportation. Yung camel lang.
Okay. So, ayan na mga ka-vibes. Parang na-enjoy ko na siya kasi may rhythm na yung camel eh. Pati yung body mo, nag-a-adjust na yun sa rhythm. So, pero yung unang-una, parang hirap. Kasi yun na, nagra-rocking ka, ano. So, yung pag-ano mo na, yung camel. So I think the top will better to take it off because it's so windy. So yun mga kabibs, tinanggal natin yung sombrero natin kasi yung sombrero ni Mami nalaglag. Kawawa yung guide natin, siya yung tumakbo, kumukuha ng sombrero. Para siguro equal siya. Ayan na. Ayan, yun ang hirap sa amin.
Matagod na ako kay Brem Kalo ko.
Sila ba kami na?
Kaya man na. 12. Bisok-sok yan eh. Okay.
Oops. In line. Budlay. Budlay. Yes. Okay. Alright. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. It's okay.
Yes.
Excuse me. Can we take a selfie? Yes, okay. Amélie, viens. Venez. Bakit sa wala?
20 ko din kami. 20.